that's why we always do that. So I'm teaching them. One of the classes that I was teaching, the teacher didn't tell the students that they mustn't double dip. They failed doing this to warm up my hands.
You want me to remove my clothes?
If you got something. You know what?
Don't worry.
I don't know if we've got a blanket.
Have we got a blanket? Because the reason why, then you can do it, yeah, because I'm going to do it properly then.
It's okay, man.
Yeah, I'm going to do this. You got a blanket?
I'll cover my ears.
Oh yeah, oh perfect. Rebecca, oh. Yeah. Then you can do it, yeah. Good, yeah, that's lovely. Right, Rebecca, yeah. Right, what I'm going to do it properly now, Rebecca, so you can see.
Yeah.
Well, rest on me. Go down a bit more.
Do you mind me, did you?
Do you mind? Is this alright?
No, it's fine.
Yeah, okay. Right, this is what's going to be done properly now. Rest it. Knuckle in and slide in. So when knuckle in, this is for all the tension that you have. This is called your décolleté area. So this is knuckle in. Then we knuckle up and we slide down. Knuckle up and we slide down. This is where we have all the tension and we slide down. And then what we need to do, I don't know if you can, Bex, can you see? We do effleurage. I'm using my thumbs and I'm pressurizing. Oh yeah, she's gone already. So I'm using my, and I'm pressurizing. Then I'm doing the other side, make sure you can see. Effleurage and I'm pressurizing. Once I've done that, I'm going to do something called finger rolling. I'm taking the skin, I'm rolling it forward, and that releases all the tension. Yeah, we're going to learn this and do this on each other. I'm just demonstrating to you now. And then you go to the other side. You want to get something, 2, 3. And then, to make it better, we're not doing karate chops here, we're not doing kung fu. I need my hand, I need it like so. Yeah? So I've got strong arms, I forgot, yeah? So we're not doing that, and I'm doing this. Yeah? So this is it. This is for the tension. Then I'm going to do Wacko Ninja. So we don't want to do that. I need to hear this. I need to hear this. So I don't want no chops. Yeah? Sorry, I've got to do it wrong. I want this. So I need a fluidity in your arms, yeah, in your wrist. Ninja. Wrong way. Right way. I forgot how strong I am, yeah? And then once we've done that, then we soothe out the area. Skin rolling, can you see that? Skin rolling. Taking out the flesh and I'm skin rolling. Skin rolling, taking out the flesh, skin rolling. Skin rolling, so it's really great. Then this is where we have all the tension as mummies, and I'm doing effleurage. Using my thumb, and I'm feeling the knots in mummy's shoulders, and then I'm going across. And then when we finish, we come all the way up, and then we do the knuckling. Ready? Press up, darling. Knuckle, 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 slide in. Knuckle, 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 slide in. Knuckle, 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 slide up, and slide and rush your head. Right? And again, knuckle out. Well done. And then I'm going to do the effleurage. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah, and I'm going to do this now. Yeah, lovely. And then I'm going to do the nostrils. Notice with that, I'm crossing my fingers. So this is what you're going to do, is cross the fingers and slide. Notice my ring finger. That's quite nice. I'm sliding. Come up. Yeah? Now, when we're doing the eyelashes, we never use the index finger. We use the ring finger because it's a light. It's very, how does that feel? Quite soothing, isn't it? Hello?
He's gone.
Yeah, and again, ring finger. Ring finger. Come up, come up, come up. This is very soothing. If you have a headache, we do this without realizing it. If we have tension, we do this. Then when we finish the tension, we get round here. and there. Now, if you have any lines around your forehead, we do something called C's. And if you can see, it is actually the C's all the way across. Can you see that? Yeah, so we're doing C's. So you can remember some of this. We'll be doing this next week. And once we've done that, we're going to do Pulp Fiction. I'll call it Pulp Fiction, yeah? We're ironing out the fine lines. Once we finish that, we finish everything. So we go 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, around and up. And voila. How's that feel? Yeah? So that was different. So, and that's part of facial. So when we normally do facial isn't just doing your face. Facial is actually doing part of the facial. Oh, well done. Thank you for that. That's done.
Is everything okay?